Hey everyone, it's Pastor Ladd over at Bethel Lutheran Church. I'm coming back to you with a few more tips on how to better use Facebook to actually share the love of God with others. Now, as we first got to Facebook, I taught you how to use Facebook Live so that you could watch our worship services that take place on Sundays at 9:30 p.m. or on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Now, what I want to help you do is to learn how to share those videos with others, or even allow your friends and family who are on Facebook to be able to also watch what you're watching, which is our worship services. So in just a few seconds, I'm going to actually show you how to do that. How to go on Facebook, how to do a watch party so others can watch alongside of you. And again, as I said, it is a great way to introduce others who might not even know the Christian faith or are too afraid to come into the church. This is a great way to give them a taste of what it's like from the comfort of their own home. So I look forward to showing you this. So take a moment and take a watch. Here we are with my laptop. And as I showed in the first video, what you'll need to do is to click on the internet icon browser link. And as that pops up, you'll see right in this top area, you can type in, as you did the past time, facebook.com/BLC Hudson. And I'll have this down in the bottom corner. You push enter. And this, if you're already pre-signed in, will take you right to the church's website or Facebook page. And when it does that, most of the times you will see us streaming live right at the very beginning. And you could just click on that. But if you didn't get to watch us live right at that moment, you can still watch us by clicking over here where it says videos. And here's the great thing, whenever we record a video, it stores it and you can go back and access it. So here's a perfect example. We're going to click on this past Sunday's worship service. And there you go. Now, how do you share this by creating a watch party? Well, you click the button that says share. And as you click it, it'll pop up. And at the very bottom, it'll say start a watch party. And I'm going to click that. And once I've clicked that, it's going to ask you to start. And once I click start, then now what you're going to find out is it is live and active on my personal page. So here, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to click on my personal page right up there. Yes, I'm going to leave this page for now. And as I leave this page, you will see right there it is. It's being streamed live. Even though this was last Sunday, people can watch it right now with me. And the cool thing is people can make comments along the way, and you'll see their comments being made just like you would traditionally down below. So this is how you create a watch party. And we want to encourage you again to share this with others, how to do it. And again, make sure you take some time to try this out. Maybe you try it out this Sunday. Well, I hope this video helped you out. Our goal, as I said at the very beginning, is to give you the resources and the tools to be able to share the story of God's love with others by sharing it through our worship service with others through watch parties. So as I shared before, give me a call, text me, email me, message me on Facebook so that I can help better connect you with connecting others with the love that God has for them through sharing our worship services. But in this time, never forget that God loves you and is with you no matter what.